Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add page number in Adobe InDesign. So let's start! First, go to Adobe InDesign and then open the document. To add the page number, go to A Master. You can see right here the A Master. Now click on Type tool. You can see it at the left corner of your screen. Next, drop a box on text. Now, right-click on your mouse. And then you can see the different options right here. And then tap on Insert a Special Character. And then click Markers. And then you'll see Current Page Number. Just click on that. Now go to Pages and then double-click. And there you'll see the numbers on the pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching.